Welcome to Mother Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. A few weeks ago, I looked up and saw my vent hood was gross. I then turned on the light and noticed grease on the old school light bulb, which started to steam off as it heated up. The filter was gross and everything surrounding it was as well, so it was time to do some cleaning. First, I ordered a new filter and LED light bulb so that it won't get too hot when the light's on. On the other side of the vent hood was manufacturing information that I was able to use to find the right filter. I started by removing the filter, light cover, and bulb, which was still hot to the touch. You can see all the gross grease that was built up over time. I put the new bulb in to test, and it worked. Before moving forward, I went to the junction box in the garage and turned off the power to the vent hood. I easily removed the fan with a socket wrench and carefully removed the part. Inside it was plugged in, so I was able to easily unplug it to do some deep cleaning. This is what the plug looked like. My friend Jason was in town, so he cleaned the fan while I cleaned the hood. We used simple cleaning wipes as the labeling on the vent hood said not to use harsh chemicals. I put in some elbow grease and just scrubbed all the surfaces that I could. Although some surfaces were not dirty but appeared to be damaged by extreme heat. Ultimately, if it was too damaged, I'd go ahead and replace the entire hood, as it's a pretty straightforward DIY to replace it. But no need to replace it today. I plugged the fan back in after I cleaned it and added the 2 screws back in, this time tightening it with a flathead screwdriver. I put the bulb back and swapped out the old filter for this brand new one, which is oh so much cleaner. Then I turn the power back on and it works. I also turned the fan on and that works just as before. And if you're wondering, this is the aftermath of the cleaning. This is a simple home maintenance project. It just takes a bit of elbow grease. It is a little awkward because you have to reach up and into the hood, but it's doable. I will challenge you to look up when you're standing in front of your stove or down if you're like mom. Is it time to do a little cleaning? Let me know in the comments below.